Hello, Professor. My name is He Chen, and today I will presenting my thesis titled Return on Investment Analysis and Forecasting of Huawei's Overseas Infrastructure Projects. This study integrates econometric modeling, statistical validation, and interactive visualization to explore the ROI performance of Huawei's global digital infrastructure investments. In the era of global digital transformation, companies like Huawei are expanding overseas infrastructure investment, particularly in developing economies. While much has been said about the strategical or geopolitical importance of such investment, financial performance evaluation remains limited. That's why this study aims to provide a data-driven, ROI-focused analysis of Huawei's foreign project using Python, SPSS, and Power BI. This study addresses three main objectives. First, analyze the financial returns of Huawei's overseas infrastructure investments. Secondly, identify the key project level and environmental factors that influence ROI. Third, forecast future ROI trends across countries using predictive modeling and visual tools. And I applied a three-stage approach. First, panel data regression using Python to quantify ROI drivers. Second, SPSS to test statistical robustness. Third, Power BI for interactive ROI visualization. The dataset covers Huawei's overseas infrastructure project between 2020 and 2024 across multiple host countries. Then I modeled ROI as a function of four independent variables. First, investment volume. Second, project duration. Third, host country digital maturity. Fourth, institutional risk. Tested four hypotheses linking this to ROI using a fixed effect panel regression model. And from Python regression, investment volume is strong positive impact on ROI, and project duration is slight negative effect, not statistically significant. And digital maturity and institutional risk are negative effects, but also not significant in Python model. However, SPSS revalidation shows digital maturity and institutional risk as statistically significant, that indicating better digital environment and stable institutional enhanced ROI. And then three key dashboards were developed. First, ROI geographic map, high ROI in Philippines, Bangladesh, Brazil, Nigeria, and second, country comparison chart, Philippines and Bangladesh rank highest. And third, ROI time trends, identified volatility in Bangladesh and steady growth in Philippines. These visuals allow dynamic exploration of regional performance and investment strategies. And key strategic takeaways for Huawei. First, focus on high ROI markets like the Philippines and Brazil, and monitor volatility in risky but profitable regions like Bangladesh. And then avoid or restructure in low ROI countries such as Kenya or Thailand. And last, adopt real-time ROI dashboards for investment shrinking and adaptability. The study contributes in two ways. First, theoretical, combines infrastructure ROI with digital readiness and institutional factors. Second, practical, demonstrates a reproducible framework using Python and SPSS and Power BI for corporate-level investment decisions. Limitations include first, restricted data access due to Huawei's confidentiality. Second, model excludes factors like inflation, exchange rate shocks. Third, 5-year period may not capture full ROI life cycle. Future research should include longer time spans, firm-level strategy variables, and broader country datasets. In conclusion, investment volume and institutional stability are core ROI drivers. Viral tools like Power BI enhance decision-making transparency. ROI is not just a number, it reflects the strategy fit between financial capital and local context. Thank you.